Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Start immediately. You do not need deep setup. Once Start is visible, look at the pinned tiles area and identify the tile you want removed. If you're on Windows 10, right-click shows Options. On Windows 11, use the three-dot menu. Make sure to confirm which account you're using, because changes apply to that profile. From here, you are ready to remove tiles or groups, so proceed to the next step to execute removals. You now remove tiles one by one using the right-click menu or drag gesture. This is precise and reversible per tile. For an individual tile, right-click and choose Unpin from Start. This detaches the app but does not uninstall it. Once done with one, repeat for others, and if a tile is inside a folder, open the folder and unpin each item before removing the folder itself. Make sure to check both Start and Taskbar if you see. You finish by removing any leftover groups and verifying the layout. After all tiles are unpinned, delete group labels and adjust Start settings in Settings Personalization. Start to disable showing recently added apps or suggestions. This prevents automatic repinning. Once complete, sign out and back in, or restart Explorer if tiles behave oddly. If tiles reappear, reboot. And as one troubleshooting tip, check for provisioning packages or enterprise policies that reapply a layout. If present, contact your admin.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.